How to create finished goods. Receipt in Businet. Users can create finished goods receipt against source type, direct or bill of material. In case source type is bill of material, users need to select product, operation and shop floor. Then the product will be auto-populated in output details section where user will enter the mandatory fields such as quantity, price, batch detail, etc. Also, users need to enter batch detail in input detail section for consumed items. Once document is approved, it will be forwarded for QC inspection if required. Users can then generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.